Good afternoon, everyone. Today we shall learn a new chapter, Chapter 7, Mineral and Energy Resources of your NCERT textbook, India, People and Economy. Now let me present. So this is the chapter Mineral and Energy Resources. About minerals and energy resources, we also have learned in class 10. And see here, this is a scene of open cast mining. We have already learned about two types of mining, open cast mining and underground mining, and this is an example of open cast mining or surface mining. Now let us read what is a mineral is given here. A mineral is a natural substance of organic or inorganic origin with definite chemical and physical properties. So mineral is a natural substance, derived from these living things or from non-living things. And mineral has a definite molecular structure, and so they have definite chemical and physical properties. And a mineral is formed by combining two or more elements. However, we have a mineral formed by a single element also. This is about a mineral. A mineral is a natural substance of organic or inorganic origin with definite chemical and physical properties. So this is about the meaning of mineral. And next we have these types of minerals. On the basis of chemical and physical properties, minerals may be grouped under two main categories. Those are metallics and non-metallics. So let me repeat. On the basis of chemical and physical properties of minerals, minerals may be grouped, classified into two main categories. Those are metallics and non-metallics. Metallic minerals and non-metallic minerals, and which may further classified as follow. Let us read. So minerals divided into two types: metallic mineral and non-metallic mineral. So metallic mineral is again subdivided into ferrous mineral. That means minerals which contain iron, for example iron ore, manganese. Then another type of metallic mineral is non-ferrous, which do not contain iron, for example copper, bauxite, the ore of the aluminium. And this non-metallic mineral can again further divided into two types: fuel mineral, for example coal, petroleum, natural gas. And other one, these other non-metallic minerals, for example mica, limestone, graphite. So these are mainly derived from rocks, and this one mainly derived from these organic substances, okay, derived from the living things, and these are derived from the non-living things. So these are the different types of minerals mentioned here. And let us read this paragraph. Minerals have certain characteristics. Okay, minerals have certain characteristics. So number one, these are unevenly distributed over space. That means minerals are unevenly distributed over the space. That means in some areas we find rich, okay, resources, rich minerals, and whereas in the other areas we don't find minerals. In some areas we find plenty, in abundance. In other areas we don't find, or there is scarcity. And another point is that there is inverse relationship in quality and quantity of minerals. That is, good quality minerals are less in quantity as compared to low quality minerals. So there is an inverse relationship in quality and quantity of minerals. So good quality minerals, generally we find these less in quantity. And when the quality of mineral is low, then we find in bulk, okay, in large quantity. If the quality of the mineral is low, then we find in large quantities. And when the quality of mineral is good, okay, high, then we find in this less quantity. Then the third main characteristics is that all minerals are exhaustible over time. All the minerals, okay, may be recycled for some years, but in due course of time all the mineral will be exhausted. That means all the minerals are exhaustible, cannot be renewed. Okay, then these minerals take long to develop geologically, and they cannot be replenished immediately at a time of need. That means formation of minerals take millions of years, and hence minerals cannot be replenished immediately at the time of need. When we need it, it cannot be replenished, it cannot be renewed. Okay, formation of mineral take millions of years. So these are the important characteristics of minerals. So now let us learn about this distribution of minerals in India. Okay, so here in this big paragraph you'll find broad distribution of minerals in India. So let us read. Most of the minerals in India occur in the peninsular plateau region. Most of the metallic minerals in India occur in the peninsular plateau region, in the old crystalline rocks, that is in the these metamorphic and igneous rocks. Peninsular plateau, you know, see here in this area, you will find these minerals, okay, mainly in this area. Mainly so in this area you will find these metallic minerals. Over 97% of coal reserves occur in the valley of Damodar, then Son, Mahanadi, Godavari. Petroleum reserves are also located in the sedimentary basins of Assam. Okay, so 97% of the coal reserves occur in Damodar River. Now again, let us see this map here. Damodar River is here, and here in this valley also we find coal. Then we find coal here in Mahanadi, then Godavari, okay, and here in Son River also we find coal. Then again here in this Brahmaputra, okay, valley, we find petroleum. See here, petroleum reserves are located in the sedimentary basins of Assam, that is in the Brahmaputra valley, then in Gujarat and Mumbai High, that is offshore region in the Arabian Sea. So in addition to this Assam valley, okay, here in Gujarat also we find this petroleum, and another reason is here Mumbai High, okay, on the back of the Arabian Sea also, of the coast of Mumbai, okay, here in this area also we find this petroleum. And new reserves have been located in Krishna, Godavari and Kaveri basins. So petroleum is also struck in the river basins of this Krishna, Godavari and Kaveri basins. Okay, just you may see this one here. This is the Godavari river, and here we have this Kaveri. So in these basins also, okay, Krishna is here. In these basins we find this petroleum, and most of the mineral resources occur to the east of a line linking Mangaluru and Kanpur. Okay, most of the major mineral resources occur to the east of a line linking Mangaluru and Kanpur. Okay, Mangaluru and Kanpur. So this is about the broad distribution of mineral resources in India. And now we shall discuss about the distribution of minerals in belts. Okay, see here. Minerals are generally concentrated in 3 broad belts in India. Okay, then in addition to these 3 broad belts, you will find another belt also, that is the Himalayan Belt. Okay, we will discuss. And so these belts, let us read. The first important belt is the Northeastern Plateau region. Northeastern Plateau region. This belt covers Chotanagpur Plateau, that is Jharkhand, Orissa Plateau, West Bengal and a part of Chhattisgarh. You know Chotanagpur Plateau, see it is here. I think you are seeing Chotanagpur Plateau here. This is the Chotanagpur Plateau. Okay, and here this belt, Chotanagpur Plateau, covers Jharkhand, Orissa, then West Bengal, Chhattisgarh. Okay, Chhattisgarh. See here. This Chotanagpur Plateau, this covers this area. Here we have the Jharkhand, then Chhattisgarh, then Orissa also there, okay, and West Bengal also there. Here we have West Bengal. This is Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, Orissa, West Bengal. So this is the Chotanagpur Plateau region. And see, in this region we find this heavy concentration of this iron and steel industry, because this region is rich in iron ore, then coal, manganese. Okay, and that is why we find a lot of iron and steel industry in this region. It is also mentioned here. See, it has variety of minerals, namely iron ore, then coal, manganese, bauxite and mica. in this northeastern plateau region. Northeastern plateau region means the Chotanagpur Plateau. Okay, the Chotanagpur Plateau. Now, do you have any question from your side? Any question regarding this meaning of mineral, characteristics of minerals, distribution of minerals? Okay, so let us proceed. So next important mineral belt is the southwestern plateau region. And see here, this belt extends over Karnataka, Goa and contiguous Tamil Nadu uplands and Kerala. The southwestern plateau region covers Karnataka, Goa and this Tamil Nadu, then Kerala. Okay, see here, this southwestern plateau. Southwestern plateau, here it is in this area. Okay, this Karnataka, then we have Tamil Nadu, then Kerala. What is the other place? Karnataka, Goa, Tamil Nadu and Kerala, and Goa is also here. See, Goa is also here. Goa, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, then Kerala. So this is known as the southwestern plateau region. So this region also contains high-grade iron ore, then manganese and limestone. So these are the important minerals found in this region, in this belt. Okay, and this belt lacks in coal deposits except near Valley in Tamil Nadu. Okay, actually in Karnataka and this in Kerala we don't find coal deposits. We find coal deposits only in this Tamil Nadu, in near Valley, and that is also low grade lignite. Okay, brown coal. Then see one more point we have to learn in Kerala. Okay, Kerala has these deposits of monazite and thorium, then bauxite clay, and Goa has iron ore deposits. See, Kerala has deposits of these thorium and monazite. Okay, monazite is a sand, okay, type of sand, and from which we get these radioactive minerals. Okay, and bauxite clay is also found in Kerala. Then in Goa we find iron ore deposits. So this is about southwestern plateau region. And next we have this northwestern region. Here, this belt extends along Aravalli in Rajasthan and part of Gujarat, and the minerals are associated with Dharwar System. So northwestern region. Okay, northwestern region. So you may see here, this is the northwestern region, and the Aravalli mountain range is here. Okay, Aravalli mountain range is here, and we may see another this map also here. So this region is known as northwestern region. Rajasthan, then Gujarat. Okay, and here these minerals are associated with Dharwar system of rocks. Okay, in Rajasthan and Gujarat, minerals are associated with Dharwar system of rocks. Actually, Dharwar, so this is a region. Okay, Dharwar is a region in Karnataka. And why the name is given like this? Because in this Dharwar region in Karnataka, okay, the first metamorphic sedimentary rocks are found, okay, are analyzed, are studied in the Dharwar region of Karnataka, and from that similar rock systems. Okay, similar rock systems are also known as Dharwar system. Actually, Dharwar is a region in Karnataka, and there in the Dharwar, the first metamorphic sedimentary rock system was studied. Okay, means sedimentary rocks derived from the withered metamorphic rocks was studied in Dharwar region of Karnataka, and that rock system is known as Dharwar system after the name of the region. And because of that, if you find other similar rock systems in other part of India, that rock system is also known as Dharwar system. Okay, and so in the northwestern region, this copper, then zinc are the major minerals, and Rajasthan is rich in building stones like sandstone, a type of sedimentary rock, okay, granite, marble. Actually, granite, marble, these are types of these metamorphic rocks and igneous rocks. Then gypsum, okay, it is used in making cements, and fuller's art. Okay, these are the important minerals and rocks found in Rajasthan. You know, fuller's art is a clay-like substance, okay, that mostly composed of aluminum, magnesium silicate, and it is a good absorbent, and hence it is used to remove the stains, then dirt, impurities, oil, grease, okay, from these fabrics, from the cloth, even from the skin also. We use fuller's art to remove the chemicals, harmful chemicals. It's a very useful clay-like substance. It is found in Rajasthan. Okay, and dolomite and limestone provide raw materials for cement industry. You know, then Gujarat is known for its petroleum deposits that we discussed earlier. And both Gujarat and Rajasthan both have rich sources of salt. Okay, that you have learned in history also about the Dundee Marsh. Okay, please recall. That means Gujarat is has a resource of the salt, and Rajasthan also. Actually, in Gujarat, salt is obtained mainly from seawater after evaporating seawater, but in Rajasthan it is sometimes obtained from the rock salt also. Then the fourth belt, as I told you earlier, is the Himalayan Belt. Okay, this is another mineral belt where copper, lead, zinc, cobalt, tungsten, okay, are known to occur. And these minerals occur on both eastern and the western parts of the Himalayan mountains. Assam Valley has mineral oil deposit, that is petroleum, we'll have learned earlier. Then besides oil resources, okay, are also found in the offshore areas, that is near Mumbai coast, that is Mumbai High. Mumbai High is okay on the back of the Arabian Sea, about 120 kilometers away from Mumbai coast. So these are the four important mineral belts of India. Do you have any question regarding the mineral belt of India? These four mineral belts are very important for exam also. Okay, it is asked in exams. You have to memorize it. Okay, let us proceed. Next, let us learn about distribution of ferrous minerals. That means minerals containing iron. Okay, so we have these examples of ferrous minerals like iron ore, manganese, chromite, Now let us discuss about iron ore. Okay, uses of iron, I think I need not to mention. This is the backbone of a country. Okay, industrial development totally depends on the iron and steel industry. So iron ore is the most important, we can say, mineral of a country. And see, in India we have these two main types of iron ore. Okay, those are hematite and magnetite. But in addition to these two types of iron ore found in India, we have other types of iron ore. Okay, so let us recall those types of iron ore once. Generally, we have these four types of iron ore. Okay, four main types of iron ore. Those are magnetite, then hematite, then limonite, and siderite. So let me show you some photographs. Okay, this is magnetite. Okay, this is magnetite. And so this is the best quality this iron ore. It has magnetic properties, and hence it is also used in the electrical industries also. And according to Britannica, okay, Encyclopedia Britannica, a pure magnetite ore contains 72.4% of iron, and color of this magnetite is black. Okay, black, and it is heavy. Then the second type of this iron ore is hematite. Okay, this is hematite, and so this is the most commercially exploited iron ore in India. Okay, and here this hematite, in hematite, a pure hematite contains 69.9% of iron, and the color of hematite is red. Okay, it is red, and other photographs also there. So this is another photograph of hematite. Okay, and this is another photograph of hematite, most commercially exploited and used in metallurgical industries. Then the third type of this iron ore is this limonite. Okay, so it is brown in color, and the iron content is 59.8%. And the fourth type, okay, the fourth type is siderite. This is siderite ore. Iron content is 48.2% according to Britannica. Color is pale brown. Okay, so these are the four main types of iron ore. However, we will discuss only about this hematite and magnetite. Okay, distribution of hematite and magnetite. Now let us read the distribution. About 95% of this total reserves of iron ore is located in the states of Orissa, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Karnataka, Goa, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu. Okay, so these are the states where iron ore reserves are found. 95% are found in these states: Orissa, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Karnataka, Goa, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu. Then in Orissa, okay, so this is about distribution of iron ore mines. In Orissa, iron ore occurs in a series of hill ranges in Sundargarh, Mayurbhanj, and Zhar. And here in Orissa, important these mines are Guru Mahisani, Sulaipat, Badam Pahad, that is in Mayurbhanj, then Kiruburu in Kendusar district, Bonai in Sundargarh. Okay, so this is in Orissa. So in Jharkhand, okay, in Jharkhand, most of the these iron ore mines such as Noamundi and Gua are located in Purbi and Paschimi Singhbhum districts. So this is for Jharkhand. Then what about this Karnataka? So in Karnataka, iron ore deposits, okay, these occur in Sandur, Hospet area of Ballari district, then Baba Budan Hills and Kudremukh in Chikmagaluru district, and parts of Shimoga. So then Chitradurg, Tumakuru districts. So this is for Karnataka. Then in addition to these important stats, we have these other stats, okay, like Maharashtra. So in Maharashtra, important districts, okay, where iron ore is found are Chandrapur, Bandara, Ratnagiri. Then in Telangana, we have Karimnagar, Warangal district. Then in Andhra Pradesh, we have Kurnool, Kudapa and Anantapur district. And in Tamil Nadu, we have Salem and Nilgiri districts. And last one, we have Goa. Okay, Goa is also important producer of iron ore. So this is about distribution of iron ore in India. And this distribution of iron ore in India is also very important for the board exam. You have to memorize it. And for the location of these mining areas, okay, you have to examine atlas or map is also here. Map is also here in your textbook. Okay, important iron ore mines. Okay, it is represented by these these triangles. Okay, small triangles. So you may find the location of the important mines when you are free. Any question from your side regarding distribution of iron ore? Actually, for the distribution of this iron ore, we need to explain it. Simply, we have to memorize it. First, you have to remember the names of the stats. Okay, first of all, you have to remember at least 5 stats. After that, try to memorize some 2-3 mining areas. Okay. So if you don't have any question, then let us stop here for today. As usual, please send your names in the WhatsApp group for attendance. Thank you very much for joining my class.